Hi, Simon at Zone CCTV. The security cameras that we install are able to determine a person on your property. Once detected, it will send a notification to all mobile phones and tablets linked to that account. Once the customer has received the notification, they have the option to go straight into live view or to play back the short video of the event. The human detection software reduces the majority of false alarms. This is a great feature as the CCTV system is keeping you up to date with all the relevant activity happening around your property. With the advanced systems that we install, it allows you to have multiple detection points per camera. This is footage from a customer's back garden. It shows the CCTV has identified me as a human and I'm triggering all the tripwires and intrusion zones set. The cameras have a very wide angle lens, approximately 90 degrees, so one camera normally covers the whole of the garden. This can significantly reduce the total cost of the installation. We have cameras available that produce a stunning colour picture at night time, rather than the standard black and white picture you can get with an infrared camera. If you'd like more information or you'd like to book in a site survey, feel free to call us anytime. We're open 7 days a week.